This is the Teba Turkish cook stoves. I really like this stove. One downfall is it's only available in black. It has a huge baking oven. So you can see inside, very large baking oven. Does come with 2 enamel racks. Nice big firebox as well. So this is going to be a wood coal model. So you'll notice it does have the cast iron grate in the bottom. It kind of dips down like a bowl. And then this is the central heating model. So this is going to be the your water tubes located at the top. And it is available in the non-central heating model as well.